folks, we're doing some kind aluminum project, so faster, 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 faster. Ta-da! Almost done, but something is still holding, so I have to undo that something what's still holding. Ta-da! Hey, look at that! We could create even another one. And what it will be, folks, make your a comment down below. Tomorrow you will see. Now it's time for sleeping. Bye. Supervisor coming. Look at that. What's? Look at that. What is here? Look at that. It's Nyam Nyam. It's more meow. Missa Melissa does. That's what he always does. He does his inspection. All around whatever I do. My apology, folks. I said it's a sleeping time. So, he took it literally. You see? Now he's ready for sleeping time. Alright, clock is start. Go! Now that corner.
Oh, I didn't like that. That was a big shift. The whole thing just moved.
Okay, we're almost here. We're almost done. And all together. We're having fun. Wind from there. Okay. I'm worried about wind. Oh, rejoicement comes today on our way. Do you have a pass to be here? That's my gun. Yeah, natürlich. That's my Schmeißmeister. Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Pro MiG 180 HD. Lincoln Electro. Settings D, wire speed 4. Argon pressure, second stage, 25 PSI. Baby, you like my haircut? Sorry for showing your face. Done with beginning line. Need couple tugs here and we basically will be done. And folks, when you have a mask, with a welding mask, you could see a sun eclipse. Right now, I'm telling you truth, everybody could watch a sun on a sunrise or on a sunset. But in the middle of the day, when sun is high, all you need to do, you have to buy a welding mask. My fingers is very important part of my body, so I usually work with gloves anytime, any job, except working on computers. He is as always with us. Oh, we rejoice in your day, oh Jesus. Okay, it's enough for welding. If you need more, we do it then. And surely, folks, that machine takes too much with that grinding disc. And for a final, I have a little beauty. May I see your hand, ma'am? That's not a woman's nail, but we could do that too. That will be easy for you this time. Folks, what I'm doing right now, I'm making my curvy bend here.
It's the only one we might fold over is this one, honestly.
That, when you see example of that, and that gives you string and a kind of a curvy surface, you will see it. Relieve little bit pressure, please. Okay, now. Okay, out please. Checking, looking. Okay, I see what I have to do. I have to do here. No. Okay. It makes too much noise. Just put your feet here. The shoe, something like that. Like I do. If you choose. On a corner, on a very corner. Corner is has strength and endurance. Strength and endurance. Always today we all rejoicing, and every day He will help us. All in all, blaze a tяжкой to your soul. Sexy finger from here to here. Any sharp edges, please use your finger. Make it carefully. Behind mine not done. How that? Any danger?
No.
That, I mean that. Should I continue or not?
You don't need to.
Yes or no?
You don't need to. No.
Well, we have a time. So it's another 10 minutes maximum.
But I can't have it here.
Ah, okay, understood. So
yeah, so
here
I don't need it here, and I don't need it here.
Don't need here,
no.
And don't need here. So
no.
I'm finishing here, just making it.
Yep.
No. Not work. Okay, your compressor. Here. Oh, today and
Oh, that's why.